to hear me over the rain. It's quite rainy this morning. But we're going to give it a try. I kind of want to talk about the rain. Because if you think about the seasons, I've been thinking about the seasons a lot. And like what each season represents. And after, this summer hasn't rained a lot this summer, at least around me. And it's been hot. So the summer is hot, it's heat. If you want to think about it like the four energies, fire, earth, wind, and water. So summer is definitely fire. And heat is good, a little at a time. But we need the rain. We need the water. We need the cooling down. The fire cleanses. The fire, it brings forth pressure to make things grow. But the rain comes and cools things down. And, a lot of times we don't go out in the rain. We stay inside. Sometimes I especially when it's cold, I stay inside. And it's probably not because we need the rain. And it's good to feel the rain on our skin. It's good to feel the rain. It makes us feel alive, right? Like, why are we so afraid to feel alive with the rain? So I guess just enjoy the rain today and just be thankful that a little cooler weather is here versus the heat. I know a lot of people are uncomfortable with the heat, and I've been a little extra hot. So, and if you get into the rain, then it makes the inside nicer. It makes the inside of your house and work, that much more dry and that much warmer. So that's it. Yeah. Not every day is going to be a grand day. A wisdom day? Yeah. And it's okay. It's okay to have a non-wisdom day. Or a non-grand wisdom day. Because, life isn't grand all the time. Sometimes life is mundane. A lot of times. I'm trying to work on that. I'm trying to work on not having a mundane life. It takes a little bit, but yeah, we'll get there. Alright guys, have a great day. Go out in the rain, get wet. Normally people say, keep dry, but get wet today. And enjoy the rain. And then afterwards, have a great time getting dry and warm and appreciating that. All right, have a great day, guys.